What's up guys, Dave here with the Honda GoldWing. I'm going to show you how to raise and lower the windscreen. Now one quick tip for you: if yours has never been moved and the bike is several years old, you will likely need to spray a little lubricant in just a couple of areas here. So loosen these locks right here. You can use any kind of little spray lube you want to use. And look, just pull this back on the front of the bike. Let's see if we can see this here. There's a little lock mechanism. I don't know if you can see that, but inside there is where the lock and the slide is located. And if it's a little cruddy and has never been moved, just spray a little bit of lubricant, right down in there on both sides, here and over here. No, it's not easy to see, but you'll do it when the screen is all the way in the up position. I'll show you that. So to put it in the up position with it unlocked, these two levers both up, it's a ratcheting system. So just grab from the side over here. Hear it click. That means it'll go up that much. Then click again, another bit. So it'll, it clicks into positions all the way to the top. And then wherever you like it, if you like it right there, for instance, then just lock these levers back down. But if you want to lower it back down, you have to first raise it all the way up to its max. And that's where I noticed it might need a little lubricant down in these little notches right here. So with both these pulled up, just lift all the way up on it. Now you can see, right down in there, that little silver piece. Just spray a little bit of lube right around there on both sides, and that'll free it up so it makes it easier to raise and lower. So while it's unlocked, you raise it all the way to the top, then you can lower it all the way back down and start over. Or if you wanted it at its shorter position, that's where you would do it. Lock her back down or wherever you want it, and that's that. And also you got your little ventilation adjuster right there. But yeah, quite a bit of adjustment. And but that was the tricky part, that it needed a little bit of lube on the corners here, because this bike is 10 years old and I don't think this shield has been moved in many years. So if yours had the same problem, that's all you have to do to fix that. Got more videos about this bike? Check out our channel. We'll see you later.